manufacturers in Cumbernauld have been accused of wrecking Christmas after it was announced they will go ahead with the closure of their plant. Cummins UK announced in October their intention to shut down their operation close to Glasgow, with 130 jobs put at risk. The 90-day consultation has been ongoing on whether to close the site, with Unite the Union, the Scottish Government and local council officials working to explore viable options to keep the factory open. However, trade union officials have now slammed Cummins UK, revealing that they refused to engage despite offers of financial assistance from the government. The engine specialist was also reportedly presented with plans to reduce costs and diversify the site to keep it open, but have now been accused of being intent on closing the factory. Unite Regional Industrial Officer Pat McIlvogue said, Cummins UK management are shamefully intent on wrecking Christmas for 130 workers and their families. Throughout this 90 days consultation period on the proposed redundancies, they have rejected every viable option brought forward to make the factory sustainable, rendering their own arguments redundant. Credit must also be given to the Scottish Government for working with Unite throughout this period to keep the factory open. Unfortunately, it's another example of corporate callousness, and management must hang their heads in shame. The company had previously said it did not need to close the site before autumn 2020. However, it now appears that these plans have been brought forward. Reports internationally suggest some factory work may now transfer to Mexico, with Cummins shifting production to plants in North America. Local politicians have been working with the company and with workers to ensure they are well supported during the process. In a joint statement, the SNP's Jamie Hepburn MSP and Stuart MacDonald MP said, "This is devastating news and a terrible way to treat loyal and dedicated staff. Workers, Unite the Union, the Scottish Government and Scottish Enterprise have worked hard to put forward alternative proposals that would save the site from closure. Sadly, we do not believe that Cummins has shown the same commitment. We do not accept that Cummins have properly explored the suggested alternatives that have been put to them, and no sensible reason for rejecting them has been provided to us. The reasons proffered for insisting on closure are simply a rehash of what was said in the autumn when plans were first mooted, reasons which do not stand up to scrutiny. We believe that Cummins must think again." SNP councillor for North Lanarkshire Claire Barclay said, "This is absolutely awful for the workers and their families despite the hard work. A dreadful decision by Cummins UK management." Cummins UK have. For more on this story, visit the news article link.